Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. This video contains some audio and video clips from KCResearch.com, a service I really like and recommend. Basically, the folks at KC Research do research for helping investors make decisions or understand multi-year cycles, trends that will last for multiple years. In this video, it sort of offers where they're coming from in arguing that gold is in the process of being remonetized, which suggests, or from that perspective, that gold will appreciate significantly in the years to come, as it has been. This is part of a cycle that's going to last a while. So this video is just sort of meant to be an introduction to that thought process. If you have any questions, you can join us over at InformedTrades.com. Thanks and best of luck in your trading.
It all started back in 2003. Deep behind the shadow of Chairman Mao's mural, communist insiders in China began to worry about the safety of their massive U.S. holdings, which, at the time, were around $403 billion, almost 25% of China's GDP. With U.S. military spending topping $404 billion borrowed dollars, plus a $3.9 trillion national debt, and careless monetary policies, the Chinese forecasted that the United States was on its way to destroying the dollar. So the Chinese did what any sane investor would do. They devised a plan to protect their assets, and they started with 1,000 tons of gold. The first part of their plan unfolded recently when China shocked the world by revealing that they control over 33.89 million ounces of gold for monetary purposes. That's an increase of 75% in Chinese gold holdings over the past 6 years. By making its purchases through the State Administration of Foreign Exchange instead of the People's Bank of China, China managed to accumulate more than 1,000 tons of gold without anyone even raising an eyebrow. And then came the shocking G20 announcement. After months behind the scenes maneuvering, the Chinese and Russians, along with several of their crony nations, have proposed dumping the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. $293 banks have collapsed since July 2008. Compare that to a total of 29 bank failures in the prior 8 years. Many predict total bank failures will exceed 1,000 before this crisis is over.
Particularly in the last bull market of both base metals, is the fact that a lot of silver has come into the marketplace not as a function of silver price, but as a function of other prices. And that's one thing that can have a negative effect on silver, because if you're a gold miner and a lead zinc miner, you don't care what price silver is. You'll sell it at any price going forward. So that's, again, one of those aspects of the complexity about this metal.